Namaste students. In the previous video, we have already read the poem Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know by Harry Ben. Today, we will be considering the English workshop session of that poem. In the first question, we have to pick from the poem words that rhyme with the following words. The first word is fun. The answer is begun and sun. The second word is no, and the answer will be know and grow. Third word is now, and the answer is cow and bow. Next word is sight, and the rhyming words are light and night. And the last one is fly. The rhyming word for fly are sky and lullaby. Now we have already seen that the poem is filled with the nature pictures. In the next question, we have to write the lines that create a picture in your mind. The first is already given in your textbook, and in the spring new buds of green. Similarly, we have to write the sentences that create pictures in our mind when we read them. Let us write them. First one is, they are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. Second, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Third, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. You can write your own answers too. Third question from the workshop session is, the poet refers to the trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. In this question, we have to explain why the poet thinks that the trees are the kindest things. Answer to this question is, trees are the kindest things because trees spread a shade for sleepy cows. Trees give fruits. Birds gather on their boughs. Trees give wood to build houses. Trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. In the next question, we have to find the words that describe the following words. The words are nouns. So, we have to find the adjectives that are describing these nouns, isn't it? Let's find them. The first word is cows. How are the cows? They are sleepy. So, sleepy cows. Next is new buds. What is the color of new buds? Green. So, the answer is green new buds. The next word is sun. The morning sun. So, the answer is morning sun. Next word is lullaby. Drowsy lullaby. And the last one is trees. Kindest trees. Next question is, pick out lines that mean the following. First, trees provide shelter for animals. Now we have to pick out the line from the poem that means this. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. Second, trees provide food for all. The answer is, they give us fruit in leaves above. Third, trees are most lovable. The answer is, trees are the kindest things I know. Fourth, kids love to listen to the songs from the trees. Answer is, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleeping children long ago. And the last one is, trees live a simple life. The answer is, they do not harm, they simply grow. The next question is, think and write in your own words. Now there are few questions. You have to write the answers to those questions in your own words. I will be giving you sample answers, but I will appreciate it more if you write the answers in your own words. Let's begin. First question is, what living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. The answer is, living things that can harm one another are First, human beings to human beings. Second, human beings to animals. Third, animals and birds to the human beings. Fourth, birds to germs and insects. And fifth, human beings to trees. The second question is, why are trees called harmless? Trees are really harmless because they never harm anything anywhere in the world, whereas they help all the living things on the face of the earth. They maintain the balance of the nature. They keep the environment clean and pure. They are very helpful to the earth and the living beings on the earth, so they are really helpful and harmless. Third question. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many Western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? The answer: the season autumn in Western countries is during October. I think there is a need to burn leaves on Halloween to make fire and to ward off evil spirits from their life. October is also very cold in the Western countries. Therefore, the leaves are burnt to protect them from the winters. The last question is, they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? The answer is, the period between day and night, that is evening, is referred to in the above lines. The buds of the tree hold the last light of the day. The next question is, search for a short poem about trees in your own mother tongue. Write it in your notebook and translate any 2 stanzas from the poem into English. Now, this question is a completely subjective question. You have to write a short story or a short poem about trees in your own mother tongue and check it with your own teachers. We will skip to the next question. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor trying to stop him from having it cut down. Begin with the following lines. Myself. Good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. Now we have to continue this dialogue so that we will convince the neighbor to not cut the old banyan tree. Let's begin with the conversation. Myself. Good morning, sir. I am very disturbed and upset to see you having this good old banyan tree chopped down. Neighbor. No, dear, this tree is of no use now. It is too old. Myself. No, sir. Being too old, it's more useful. It has been providing us oxygen for years and years. Neighbor. That is true, but there is no option for me. Myself. Think about birds who build nests in it, children like us who play under this shade, cattle who rest in its huge shade. Neighbor. You are right, dear, but myself. Besides, it has been maintaining balance of nature, controls pollution in our area. Neighbor. Yes, dear, you have opened my eyes. People have been worshipping it for years and years. I don't want to hurt anybody's sentiments. Myself. You can extend your construction at the back and save this precious banyan tree. Neighbor. Sure, my dear. Now I understood its value. We will protect it. Myself. Oh, that's great. Thanks, sir, for being so kind. This is just a sample answer. I will appreciate it more when you write the dialogues in your own words. When you write the whole dialogue, please check it with your own teacher.